Welcome back. Breaking news coming in. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has finally announced the loan waiver for farmers. Fadnavis has said that the state government is waiving off rupees 34,000 crores. This will make 90% farm loan free. Those farmers who have been paying their loans regularly, they will get 25% loan return benefit to them.
महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने एक ऐतिहासिक निर्णय लिया है और महाराष्ट्र के किसानों का कर्जा माफ करने का निर्णय लिया है। साथ ही में जो रेगुलर भरने वाले किसान हैं, जिन्होंने कर्जा समय पर चुकता किया है या चुकता कर रहे हैं, ऐसे किसानों को भी प्रोत्साहन के रूप में अनुदान देने का निर्णय महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने लिया है। छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज कृषि सम्मान योजना के नाम से ये योजना तैयार की गई है। कुल मिलाकर 89 लाख किसानों को 89 लाख किसानों को इसमें 34,000 करोड़ का फायदा होगा।
All right, my colleague Vidya is joining us live for more on this. Vidya, you know, this loan waiver that has finally been announced by the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, will it be accepted by the farmer unions? Because there was word earlier that they were not happy with the loan waiver which was promised. But there certain changes seem to have been made now. Vidya, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Vidya, the loan waiver that has just been announced by the Chief Minister, will it be acceptable to most farmer unions in Maharashtra? Because they were unhappy earlier, but it seems to be changes that have been made to that waiver.
Well, it certainly is, and this is one of the biggest waivers, as CM Fadnavis himself was claiming that bigger than any of the loan waivers that have been given by any states across India. This is one of the biggest waivers, and in fact, this is one of the things that these people have said is that they have already spoken to various stakeholders, and in fact, this is one of the concerns that had been raised by the various unions had been that the limit of farmers who would be getting it should be increased from 1 lakh earlier to 1.5 at least, and that certainly has been done. The CM himself had meetings with various other leaders of the opposition leaders as well as various stakeholders. His cabinet members have also gone and met people like Sharad Pawar and other ministers, and this is why after a hectic round of discussion, this is the conclusion that they have drawn to, and now these people are really hopeful that the entire expense now that will be on the state will be borne by this, by taking up either loan from the banks or, cutting down the government expenses to meet this entire waiver that is now being given to the farmers.
All right. Thank you for joining us with that quick update. We'll come back to you for more.